Welcome to Stock Market Today, your market briefing with actionable insights on stocks, bonds, crypto in the events moving markets. Let's get into it. July jobs data just flipped the script. The U.S. shed 23,000 jobs last month versus expectations for 80,000 gains. That's 2 consecutive months of payroll contraction. Unemployment ticked down to 4.1%, but the employment picture is weakening fast. Futures rallied hard, Dow up 0.3%, S&P 500 up 0.5%, Nasdaq climbing 0.8%. Traders are repricing Fed expectations as soft labor data gives the Fed cover to hold despite sticky inflation. Bitcoin pushed above $65,200 after trading near $64,300 all week. Ethereum climbed to $1,931. Spot Bitcoin ETFs attracted $626 million in inflows over 3 consecutive days. Bitcoin's volatility has disappeared. The Deribit DVOL index sits near 35, down from 90 earlier this year. The Senate pushed the Clarity Act vote to September. Democratic opposition centers on Trump's crypto conflicts of interest. Banking lobbies oppose stablecoin yield provisions that would compete with deposits. Without legislative clarity, institutional adoption faces prolonged uncertainty. Institutional infrastructure is advancing regardless. Wintermute secured SEC and FINRA broker-dealer status, enabling the crypto market maker to trade equities and ETFs. Tether is expanding its Hadron tokenization platform into Saudi Arabia, starting with institutional real estate. On-chain data shows 210,000 Bitcoin moved out of long-term holder wallets this week, tied to the cold card security breach that drained $114 million. Unlike prior distribution waves near market peaks, this movement is happening near lows, suggesting custody migration rather than capitulation. Whales accumulated 20,000 BTC worth $1.2 billion since July 29. Oil is back as a headwind. Brent crude jumped to $83 after Iran threatened to restrict U.S. and Israeli ships through the Strait of Hormuz. 10-year Treasury yields climbed 7 basis points to 4.67%. That wraps your market intel. Trade smart out there. For deeper insights and real-time analysis, visit capitalcopilot.io.